In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore text animation in Canva. To follow along, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have a design open. This could be a social media post, a presentation slide, a video, or any other format you're working on. You'll want to have at least one text box already added to your design, because that's what we're going to animate. First, click on the text you want to animate. This might be a title, a subtitle, or a smaller body text. When you click on it, you should see a highlight or border appear around the text box, along with a toolbar at the top of your screen. This tells you that the text element is selected and ready to be edited. If you have multiple text boxes on your design, take a second to confirm you've selected the right one, especially if you plan to animate only a specific word or heading. With your text selected, look towards the top of the Canva interface for the animate option. On most layouts, this appears in the top toolbar once an element is clicked. Go ahead and click on Animate. This will open a panel or menu where all the available animation styles are displayed. Once the animation panel is open, you'll see a variety of animation options designed specifically for text, such as simple fades, slides, and more dynamic styles. Hover your mouse over each option to preview how your selected text will move. Canva will usually show you a quick preview right on your design, so you can get an immediate feel for what works and what doesn't. If you find an animation you like, click it to apply it to your text. From here, many animations allow you to adjust settings such as direction, speed, or how the text appears and disappears. Take a moment to experiment with these controls. Slower animations can feel more elegant and professional, while faster ones tend to feel energetic and playful. Remember that the goal of text animation is to support your message, not distract from it. Try to keep your choices consistent across a single design. For example, you might use one animation style for all headings and another, more subtle one, for smaller text.